Is your productivity stopped because DirectX Setup Library can't find the dsetup32.dll? I'm Sophie Chen, a senior Windows support engineer. Let's identify the gap and fix it with an automated solution. Before we begin the walkthrough for dsetup32, check the link below for a tool to assist with library environment checks. This is the dsetup32, the DirectX Setup Engine 32-bit library. It manages the unmanaged orchestration of localized DirectX installations and component verification. It facilitates the data link between the installer and the graphics subsystem to ensure version-locked 3D manifests are present. Understanding the file's role is a great start. Now let's look at replacing it. dsetup32 is commonly included with older game runtimes. Install the Microsoft DirectX end-user runtime to restore DirectX-based components, then update your GPU drivers if the file is tied to OpenCL, OpenGL, or CUDA. If you're still seeing the missing file notification, we should attempt to force a synchronization between the software and the OS. A quick system restart is a practical way to ensure that all shared libraries, including dsetup32, are being loaded correctly into the current session's memory. To keep this tutorial handy, make sure to bookmark it or hit like button before you reboot. It saves you from having to look for the video again once you're back online. Following the restart, if the diagnostic status remains unchanged, please execute the commands in step 3. If you need to pause the video to review the syntax, please do. If the restart didn't fix the library error, we need to manually repair the specific C++ redistributable package. First, go to Control Panel, then select Programs and Features. Second, find every Microsoft Visual C++ redistributable, 2005 through 2022. Third, right-click each and select Change, then select Repair. If that fails, download the latest all-in-one VC++ redistributable package from Microsoft's website. Please note that for DLL files with numbers, the number tells you which version to repair. For example, 120 equals 2013. It's worth taking a moment to discuss the safe acquisition of runtime components. Safety is paramount. Never attempt to replace dsetup32.dll with binaries found on unverified download portals that lack quality control and often distribute files incompatible with modern Windows security updates. To complement these security best practices, you may want to consider using a diagnostic resource to help manage your system's library references. If background clutter or library inconsistencies persist, the official diagnostic tool below provides informational support for dsetup32. To keep your workstation running with a reliable configuration and ensure dsetup32 remains stable, subscribe to our channel and like this video.